Now it's time for Privacy Talks. Privacy Talks brings you interviews with influencers, activists, and experts in pro-privacy organizations around the world. So let's go to Daniel Hahn, who recently caught up with Brad Ree, the Chief Technology Officer for ioXt, to talk about the ioXt Alliance.
Hello and welcome to Privacy Talks. This is Daniel Hahn from Privacy News Online, and today I'm speaking with Brad from ioXt. Brad, thank you so much for taking the time to talk with me today. We're very excited to have you.
It's nice to be here too, Daniel.
Awesome. So what is the ioXt Alliance and why was it started?
Sure. So the ioXt Alliance is a group of leading technology manufacturers, service providers, silicon vendors, chip makers, and mobile app developers all working to improve IoT security. Really, what we're really trying to do is, increase security through our certification program that brings security to the forefront so that consumers can have the transparency to know what is in the products that they're actually buying and everything. So no longer do they have to walk in the store, roll the dice and hope the thing that they picked up will actually not hack their home.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. As a consumer, I think it's really helpful to, able to see the company taking privacy security really seriously. So, but what about the companies? Why should a business join Alliance?
Yeah, so there's several different things that they should really join the Alliance. So, as I mentioned, clearly what we're trying to do is work with manufacturers to provide this safe and secure environment that consumers can see what's inside the product. But then there's also a couple other things going on. So, every time a new camera gets hacked, grandma calls her congressman and Congress is starting to wake up. They're starting to write more and more laws. And, it really is in the manufacturer's best interest to work together to address this. Because honestly, if industry doesn't fix the security issue, governments will. So with that, we work a lot with the industry. We work with the regulators to try to bridge the gap to make sure that the right level of security, that the regulations that are coming are appropriate. And then the last part that's actually really cool about the Alliance is we've got over 350 members right now from some of the largest companies, right? Amazon, Google, Facebook, folks like that. And as a member, you can participate in these meetings to define the upcoming security standards, rubbing shoulders with some of the the main thought leaders in some of these largest companies. And it really is, as you think about the security and privacy issues you have, you should listen to the Facebook team during the elections and some of the stuff that they're listening and watching for. So, it's a great environment to share thoughts.
That sounds awesome. So it's not only helps the consumer and the business, but it also helps the industry overall. So
100%.
Oh yeah. So what does it mean to be ioXt certified?
Yeah, so the way that our certification program really works is what we've done is we've defined what security should look like across all different connected products, but then we've normalized the results so that way it doesn't matter who does your testing or whatever, the consumer can know that when they turn this product around and they look at the security stamp, that they've got the right level of security and they know that no matter where it came from, those security standards are being met. So that's really what's going on there. And then the other important piece, as I mentioned with the public policy, from companies, not only are they doing the right thing for their consumers, but it's also helping them to provide that reasonable security that they're taking so that when regulators are looking and they're launching that these regulations, that they're compliant. So we're really also trying to provide that security passport for companies, no matter where they're going. And by the way, this isn't just around, products. We've extended into smart home, smart building, cellular IoT, and mobile applications.
Oh, nice. Very nice. So, so any company that is ioXt certified adheres to a set of best security practices. So now I hear you are expanding your certification program, right? So yesterday you announced that you added a new mobile application profile with added requirements for VPNs. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Oh, 100%. So, working with some of the industry leaders, such as Private Internet Access was one of our members who helped define our VPN extension for mobile apps. So we're not just protecting and you're looking at the security of mobile apps, or we're looking at the security of VPNs. Because after all, consumers want to know that the VPN that they're using is truly protecting the data and not spying on them while they're using this. And these are some of the things that the ioXt Alliance is shining a light on, what security is embedded into these products.
Oh, man, that sounds awesome. Thank you so much. And hey, that's it for the questions for today. Hey, Brad, thank you so much for speaking with me today.
It was nice talking to you too. Take it easy.
Hey, awesome. Okay, so to all our viewers, if you would like to learn more about ioXt or see which companies have joined the Alliance, check out ioxtalliance.org or click the link in the descriptions. Thank you for watching this Privacy News Online feature special. Until next time.
To learn more about ioXt, check out the link in the description. Private internet access, the award-winning, no-log, ioXt certified VPN service that lets you protect up to 10 devices simultaneously with apps for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and more. Sign up now and get up to 2 months for free using the link in the description down below, where you can also find a link to learn more about all the stories in this week's Privacy News Online. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Brian Tong, and I'll see you next time.